आज मार्केट ने एक सॉलिड कमबैक दिखाया, लेकिन क्या ये रिवर्सल टिकेगा? Let's find out in today's post market pulse. Before we begin, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Markets by Motilal Oswal for daily market insight. Nifty index opened on a flattish note but with positive sentiment of the recovery of last Friday. It took support near 25,500 and negated the sequence of lower highs, lower lows of past 7 trading sessions and headed towards 25,650. The index took support at its 50-day exponential moving average on Friday after a corrective move of 800 points. Recent price setup suggests short-term reversal and positive to range-bound bias in the market for coming days. Now Nifty needs to hold 25,500 to extend the move towards 25,800 to psychological 26,000 marks, while supports are shifting higher at 25,500 and 25,300. Bank Nifty index opened on a flattish note and witnessed strong momentum from the initial tick as bulls took some charge. Banking index is on the verge of pole and flag breakout, which has bullish indication, and a sustained move above breakout could drive it to fresh all-time high of 58,577. It formed a bullish candle on the daily scale and continues to find support near 20-day exponential moving average. The outperformance in the rate-sensitive index persists, led by consistent buying interest in heavyweights banking counter. Now it needs to hold 57,750 for an up move towards 58,577 or even new all-time high, while on the downside, supports are placed at 57,750 and 57,500 marks. So this was today's market rev with me, Chandan Tapadia. Stay tuned with us to never miss your post-market pulse.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.